Cheers, guys. Look at that. Boys and their toys. MK2 MALOSSI SPORT. Finally on stock, so of course I have to check it out. Actually, this one is for a very good old friend where I grew up, 700 kilometers to the left, to the west. Reini, that's yours. What do we have here? No, look at that. That is the cylinder. And a cylinder head. We have the centering shells of the head. So nice to include SI main jet. We do have cylinder, not so unimportant. Then we do have the new thing. That's the exhaust connector nozzle. That looks nice. Proper weight. And what we've got here, oh, that's a new color. And so on and so forth. And a famous 20mm cutting. Very old school. Yes! The piston rings. Don't forget that they are trapezoid, they are not rectangular, so there is only one way to put them in. Okay. Foot gasket. More than one. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3. And the seal for the head. And of course, most important thing, stickers. But not the classic one. Ooh. Head does look exactly the same. 15601. It's from 2018. Stamp here. Cylinder. The rings. Clips, C-clip of course, state of the art, no? So the cheap MALOSSI comes with a C-clip, the pin, and the Vertex MALOSSI piston. It's the same. Oh, let's zoom in. It's nicely done. You have a seal ring here, which tightens it up. And ooh, these are for hooks for exhaust. I like it. That is nicely done. I'm gonna check the cylinder timings, of course, and include it in the video. Let's see, is there a production stamp? Yes, there it is. 4/21, so it's from April this year. I do have the mk2 here. Beside the exhaust connector, they look pretty much the same. And this now. It's already a bit milled. This difference is because there's difference at the port, but this is because I already adjusted it to the case, engine case. Nah, it's exactly the same. Which produce, that's 2016, May 2016, 5 years difference, look at that. what I wanna tell you today, a little bit about it, is you also got one of these boring ones, just one real port, the boost port. The other ones are fake ports inside. That's why you need original tuning or old tuning, or even old tuning light. Check out the guide, I'm gonna link it in the video. But it's a bit boring. So the question is, I want more power. What do I buy? There are around 33 cylinder kits in the program. Not all of them available anymore. So what do I buy? Do I buy Pinasco, old classic brand, or Polini is the best tourer, isn't it? And nah, Malossi, not so good, because you know, only racing and the fourth gear problem and so. Or shall I go for a Quattrini?
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?